A wooden block is a square-based prism as shown below. Given the base area is 50 centimeters squared, so this area here, area equals 50 centimeters squared, and the height is 12. So we have the height here is 12 centimeters. What is the surface area? We're trying to find the surface area of a rectangular prism here. Now we know that the surface area of this rectangular prism is equals to 2 times the top, 2 times the area of the top, because you can see the area of the top and the bottom are the same, so there's 2 of them. Now what about the front? Plus 2 times area of the front, because the front and the back are going to be the same, so we have the top and bottom, front and back, and finally we need the sides, plus 2 times the area of one side. So it doesn't matter which side we're looking at, they're both the same. So this is the formula that we have, and the question is, we need to know some more information to find these areas. We're given this is a square-based prism, square-based. So what we have here is the area, and if the length here is x and this is x, we know that if this is a square, these lengths and widths are the same. So x times x multiplied should be the area, length times width. So x times x should equals 50 centimeters squared. So x times x, which is x squared, equals 50 centimeters. So if we're going to take the square root, we're going to get x is equals to the square root of 50, which we could simplify, but let's not bother. We know that it's going to be a positive value because you can't have negative lengths. So this is the square root of 50. So let's try to find this area of the top. The area of the top, we know that this here is root 50, and we know that this also is going to be root 50 because this happens to be the square that we're looking at. This is x and x, x and x, which is root 50 times root 50. So the area of the top is going to be root 50 times root 50, which is 50. The square root of 50 times the square root of 50, essentially you get 50. Now what about the area of the front? We have a height of 12, and we have this width here of root 50. So this part here, the area of the front, is going to be 12 root 50. Now what about the area of the side? What about these sides here? We have 12 again, and again we have root 50. So we have 12 root 50. So let's work it out with our calculator. What we have here is the surface area of this ultimate shape is 2 times 50 plus 2 times 12 is going to be 24 root 50 plus 2 times 12 is going to be 24 root 50. So we have 2 times 50 plus 24 root 50 plus 24. Oops. Let's be careful now. Make sure that we are working with the correct algebra here. Plus 24 root 50 gives me a final answer of 439. 439 is choice B. So B is the correct answer. Super duper.